Okay, Kendra's gonna be finally. Well, we're gonna finally do the shingles. How many times have we saying shingles? Okay. God. Okay, Kendra's gonna finish up the roof, and I'll be finishing up the side, nailing up the side, protecting the paper, and other than that, it's windy outside. Very windy. Storm's coming. We're gonna be gonna hit a snowstorm soon, and that's what we're getting prepared. We're getting prepared for a snowstorm. So I guess what we're trying to do is get everything going, because in our situation we kind of lost the funding. When we first started the house, we had money for material, but then because of the situation that happened with our farm, we end up losing everything. And right now we're trying to and damage, more damage. So what we're gonna do today is I decided to try something out today. I close strips on the side. What I did was I grabbed table saw I guess, and I just adjusted to 2 inches and cut it through. Okay, what I just did was I just finished cutting up strips of the plywood. I think it's like 3/4 inch thick. I cut it and laid them out. I got some strips here, and what I'm gonna do is lay it out on the house. I'm gonna do the bottom part, the top part. We're gonna have to do it separately on top and secure it. So when the wind hits it, the paper doesn't rip off. So when we do have funds, we can turn around and grab the sidings and cover it up. But other than that, it's just funding. It's always funding. Other than that, the house. Right now, Kendra's nailing up the shingles. While she's nailing up the shingles, what I'm going to be doing is getting the nails ready. And what happens is we don't have a nail gun, we don't have anything, and all the stuff that we get, we're kind of like donated by friends, and well, so this is how we do it. What I do is I end up just giving a little clip, another clip, the nail comes out by itself, and then Kendra ends up nailing them up. Right now, the wind really picked up, and what's going to happen is I'm going to put some strips like this, but on top right now, just to hold it. We don't want to lose any more paper because we kind of had some damage today, wind damage. As we speak, Kendra is nailed down. It's getting windy up here. Wind's picking up, storm's coming in. Winter's going to be here soon. Kendra and I in a rush, get our shelter done.